Okay, so the latest on this Tripltek tablet. I really want to like this thing. It's bright, seems to work great, but I am having issues with Google certification. Some applications don't want to stay on it. So just got a reply from Tripltek, and they said to download this version from an APK site. So we're going to try that. We're going to do that. Okay. And we will see if it stays installed. So anyways, we're here. Okay. It is downloading. And actually, I downloaded it already, but I'm just making a video. So we're going to install it. Maps, Google Maps. So this is the version from APK Mirror that should work with this. And it is installing. Let me keep this as one contiguous video. Okay. All the stuff. We're going to confirm it has access to everything. And the application is installed. So open it up. Application. Seems to work. Okay. So now we'll go to the home screen here. All right. And let's see, where did it put it? Maybe it's in here. Okay, there it is, Maps. So let's make it easy. Let's put this on a home screen. Oops. Did that by accident. Okay, so we're going to take this and we'll move it right to the middle of my front screen. Alright, so there's Maps. It's installed, it's working. Now we're going to reboot the tablet and see if it stays on here. So here we go. We'll do a restart. Restart the tablet. Ooh, that's bright. Tripltek logo. And it is gone. It was right there. Go to all the apps. It's nowhere to be found. So that version, it doesn't want it. It's not having it, and it uninstalled itself. If we go to my installed apps, kind of hard to operate this and operate my phone, but let's see if I can do it. Apps and notifications. See all 39 apps. Let's see if it shows up here. So Play Store. And it does not show it anywhere there. And I suspect that the problem is still, we go to Play Store. Let's see, actually, got to do it from another screen. Hold on. Let's open up the Play Store here. Where is it? Okay, Play Store. If we go to this hamburger icon, and then we go down to Settings, and if we go down to this, it still says device is not certified, and the company told me it was certified because the Play Store was installed, but if I go over here to, actually over here, to my Fire HD tablet, I was able to put the Play Store on it, and it's definitely not a certified device. So my question is, are they going to get the proper certification so we can get updates and, things will work seamlessly with Google Apps? Because I will say it's a great tablet otherwise. I mean, it's been solid. I flew with it today. Not at all unhappy with the device, but I do have concerns about the fact that it's not Google certified, and at any time things may stop working. All right, that's it for now.